In this latest addition to our Weather Stopper series, we focus on the vital role of soil capture and the effective removal of dirt and debris using standard daily custodial best practices. This video demonstrates how Weather Stopper floor mats not only enhance floor safety, but also improve cleanliness and reduce maintenance efforts. The industry standard for floor matting typically features carpeted nylon fibers on a durable rubber base. The heat-set nylon fiber is specifically designed to filter dirt and debris, trapping them at the bottom of the mat. While effective, this design is challenging for custodial professionals to remove the dirt with daily vacuum cleaning. If not effectively removed, the dust and debris that accumulate at the bottom of floor mats can become a source of indoor pollution. Over time, trapped particles can be released into the air, negatively impacting indoor air quality and contributing to health concerns. Consider the following experiment where a 3x5 carpet mat that weighs 10.5 pounds when clean and dry. 2 pounds of sand is applied to the surface of the mat. Using a lightweight commercial vacuum, only 1 pound of dirt is removed. Although the surface of the mat appears clean, there is still 50% of the dirt hidden below the surface. Now, let's explore the innovative Weather Stopper bi-level mat. Dirt and debris fall below the surface into wide grooves, where they're effectively captured and contained. This design allows for easy removal using a standard vacuum, making maintenance simple and efficient while ensuring a cleaner and safer environment. Repeating the same experiment, a 3x5 Weather Stopper mat weighs 12.5 pounds when clean and dry. 2 pounds of sand is added to the mat. After vacuuming, all 2 pounds of sand has been removed. This video demonstrates the effectiveness of Weather Stopper bi-level matting when it comes to daily custodial vacuum maintenance. Weather Stopper matting, engineered for floor safety and cleanliness, is specifically designed for service optimization programs. Watch for the next video in our series of the all-new Weather Stopper floor matting programs.